Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is just going to be a really quick tutorial on how to install the Weapon R short shifter on your 2000 to 2006 Honda Insight. This does fit the 94 to 97 Accord as well as the 92 to 96 Prelude. What you're going to first do, of course, remove your center console. I've got all this stripped out for a different reason. Center console, I believe, just has a couple Phillips head screws and then one or two pop clips, which you'll pop out of here. Weapon R should have supplied you with this piece and this bolt and nut, along with an Allen key right in there. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and remove your shift knob. From there, you're going to get a 10mm socket and your wrench out, and you're going to loosen that shift linkage area right there. Once you have the stock nut removed, what you're going to do is remove the OEM washer that goes on there, and you're going to you're going to disconnect this just like that, split up, and you're essentially going to run the new bolt through that hole right there, and also threads into the top of this piece, and then you'll insert that hole onto the original entry slot and reuse the OEM nut. So once you have the shifter linkage loosened, what you're going to do is, like I said, move this OEM linkage into the top hole right there. You'll thread the new bolt in, and you can hold it with a Phillips head, and I used a 13mm wrench socket to hold this piece from spinning, and then you'll tighten down this bolt with a 10mm and use the supplied Allen key to tighten this once it is kind of all in place. And I've already screwed the shift knob back on. I know I didn't show y'all any before, but it does feel a little bit shorter. It's not night and day, but for $10, I mean, who really cares? And I'm also going to place a clip on screen of a before and after shot. Thanks for watching.